G'day guys, thanks for checking out a 2019 Ford Ranger FX4 that has just arrived. This one here is a one-owner vehicle and has been optioned up really well. It does have the lift kit, Ironman suspension, and also has the bigger 275 70 18-inch all-terrain tyres, and this car sits really well on the road. Window tint, weather shields, you got the Ironman bull bar as well with the lineman spotlight, and this car's just been travelled up and down the highway. Still got the 5-year unlimited K warranty with this vehicle, and it also has cap price servicing. You got the leather trim with FX4 embroidered, rubber mats as well, and you get the leather wrap dash, which is normally only in the Wild Track. So really well appointed. You got the full leather trim as well with the red stitching, power point through the back, and it does have Apple CarPlay, Android, satellite navigation. Coming through on the back, you got the sports bars as well, tow bar on the back as well. Coming through here, you got the rubber, you got the tub liner as well, and coming down through inside, it's in really good condition. Coming through inside the vehicle, this is a December 2012, 74,000 Ks, loads of extras, push button start.